Good morning, I'm Priscilla Hayes. I'm one of the naturalists here at Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve, and I'm here to talk to you today about one of my very favorite plants over here. In fact, one of the ones that most made me fall in love with this place, called mountain mint. So mountain mint, there's about 20 species that are native to the eastern part of North America. The name is a little bit of a misnomer. They have the same sort of nice scent kind of thing, and that makes them deer resistant and critter resistant too. But the main thing about mountain mint is the absolute amazing amount of numbers of insects that they host. And the length of bloom. Those are two really important things. Mountain mint has been one of the top plants for hosting pollinators and some other insects, just the diversity of them. So they are a plant that you should really consider for your garden. If you come here to Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve and check out some of our mountain mint, you will find it, the very first time I saw it here, it was like a carpet of rolling insects. I mentioned bloom time before. What happens with mountain mint, it has a compound flower, but not, which means that there are a lot of flowers together on a flat head generally, but not all of them bloom at the same time. But what it does is it blooms from the outside in. So there will be flowers blooming along the outside, and then when those are pollinated, it moves them further in and into the center. And so that means that the same flower can be blooming for weeks. It's wonderful because then a pollinator that comes in late June is going to find mountain mint. One that comes in July is going to find it, and one that comes in early August is going to find it. So I've been doing trials in my own garden. I have mountain mint in my garden, and I keep watching to see them do that rolling carpet thing that I saw here at Bowman's. And it's actually sort of a science experiment for you. When you buy it and take it home to your site, you can watch it over time. Each year you'll probably have more. And especially if you add more native plants into your landscape, because the more native plants there are, the more food there is for insects in general, and the more of them that you're going to attract overall. Your lawn is a desert for insects. It's something they have to cross. It's a long, big thing. And so the more that they have a patch of things that they can visit and reliably feed on, the more you're going to see at home. What I've discovered since, after I fell in love with it here, is that it has all these ultraviolet colors to it, and we may think it's a boring looking flower, but insects think it's one of the most interesting flowers there is, and they are attracted by those colors to it because those colors are basically flashing a sign that says, all you can eat nectar and pollen here, come and pollinate us. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you will consider mountain mint in your garden and spread pollinator food. Thanks. Again, I'm Priscilla Hayes, and I'm one of the naturalists here at Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve.